Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a Power Lead System overview. And today we're going to be discussing a new funnel that has been created for the team. And we're going to talk about the power in this new funnel that a lot of people are discussing and going over and just giving you all the pros of the funnel and actually how you can use the funnel. So I'm going to go over today how you can actually start integrating the funnel and promoting it to people who are interested in this program. So before we get started with that, I just want to let you guys know that when you join a Power Lead system, you're going to see where there are trainings that you can register for. And what I've been noticing is they have one during the day and one in the evening for you to basically get a walkthrough of this information. And I was on a training today and it was extremely powerful. But not only that, you were able to get step-by-step instructions on how to set up your funnel and how to start promoting your link so that you can start getting payments. So after you see this, you can click here to enter the Powered Lead System back office. And this is going to bring you to your membership site. This is where you know basically how much you made, how to get started, purchasing your domain. It goes over the different levels that you can join at. And not only that, you can watch the videos that lets you know how much you're going to receive every time someone joins under your link. So right now I have 1722.93 in commissions. And what I love is that this amount that I made was for me not really promoting the system. This is from traffic that I had generated years ago that's still working today using the Power Lead system. And I've been a member since like 2016. And this is how I actually started learning how to run traffic, how to brand myself, how to create funnels, and really understanding what works in this space. And as you can see, everything is green, which is what I paid for. Emerald level, which is a monthly payment. I have not yet joined at that level, but everything else I am green with. So each level you get paid. The first level is $20 unlimited residual commissions that you get from people who decide to join and use the system actively and consistently. And these are from your direct referrals. Then you have the diamond levels of 147 one-time payment. This allows you to collect unlimited $100 payments. The platinum level is $497, allowing you to collect unlimited $400 payments. And then you have the elite level, which is a one-time payment of $1497. And at that level, you're able to collect $1,000 commissions for each individual that joins your opportunity. And this is powerful because the training that's included is training from 6 and 7 figure earners that shows you exactly how to use paid traffic and free traffic step by step to start accumulating ongoing commissions. But not only that, building your list and getting repeat buyers from that list, which is how I actually started. And I was able to make $80 to $100,000 over time just with the Power Lead system. So when you're in here, once you get your domain name, which is a yearly payment of $17.97 for your domain, you click here on this easy button, and this is where you're going to see the information for Fire Your Boss funnel, which is the new funnel that was created for people to promote that's currently converting pretty well for those who use it. So you can click here to show me the link to use, and then basically it's going to direct you to that link so you can take a look at the funnel, the sales page that's connected to this, and actually start producing results within your business. So down here, you can take a tour of your system and how do I market my link. You can click here, and these are 2 videos that just gives you more information about the opportunity. Another thing I want to discuss is because I had this question from some people about how do I collect my payments. So here, if you go to account, it's going to take you to commissions earned. And under here, you'll get information about what you have earned during what months and how much. And as you can see, I haven't really promoted this opportunity, but I have payments that have come in even though I haven't been actively promoting it. I haven't promoted this since back in like 2018. And basically that's because I started promoting other opportunities. And I also was able to create some of my own opportunities and leverage um, the online and offline market using my own products. But I am going to be promoting Power Lead System because I feel this is where I got my start. This is where I started generating hundreds of thousands of dollars by just giving people information and teaching them how to use the system and how to create their funnel, which you can do within minutes, and start promoting that funnel through their training. So if you click here on training, they have a ton of training that is going to allow you to really learn how to promote your business the right way and how to consistently start to build your traffic, build your list, and also commissions by using simple strategies that anyone can use. And they're mainly evergreen, because what I've learned from Power Lead System back in 2017, 2018, I'm currently using as of today. They have the training area here, Lead Generation Academy, free ad secrets, endless free leads, the Master Traffic Academy. We got the roadmap to riches. This is the Master Traffic Institute. And what I love about these educational platforms is that it gives you step by step and enough information for you to understand how the system works and what to expect. Now, you're not going to have all of these open unless you join at all of the levels. If you don't, like for example, if you join at just the diamond level, when you come to the training, you're going to only see the information open for that particular level. It's not going to be everything that you're going to have access to. Of course, I tell people all the time, you get what you pay for. And if you want to educate yourself and have more strategies and more education on how to utilize the system, how to get ongoing payouts, how to generate traffic from pretty much any type of method, whether it's paid or free, you're going to have to upgrade. Okay. I tell people all the time, you get what you pay for. If you want everything, you'll come in and make your one-time payment for the Master Traffic Institute, which is going to give you a lot of training, but also so you don't miss out on other commissions. You're going to also want to turn these on at some point. Just because you buy the Master Traffic Institute does not mean you have access to every level. You have to pay for each level separately, which is going to unlock certain trainings that you can use to promote this business or any business opportunity. So when I first started, I was promoting Power Lead System as a standalone product. The reason why is I didn't have to go outside of the Power Lead System in order to earn. As I learned more about the system and how it works and how to generate an income using traffic generation strategies, I then branched out and started incorporating other businesses that I would promote on an ongoing basis. And with this system, you can add another business that you're currently in and promote Power Lead System and your current business. Okay. So here they have companies you promote. You can incorporate that into the system. So let's just say, as an example, maybe you are in List Impact. You can go ahead and look up the link for that, right? Let's just say, basically you're in any of these, the Lead Magnet, the Target Safe List. They have a ton of different opportunities that you can actually incorporate into the Power Lead System. You're just going to look for your particular business, okay? And what I love about this is you can have Power Lead System on the front end and have your other business on the back end, or you could do vice versa and have your business on the front end and promote Power Lead System on the back end. So like Cash Building System Unlimited is one of the opportunities that I was promoting for quite a while. If I wanted to add this, I can go ahead and click here and add it. Now, also under the Getting Started tab, you can also click on here, click the easy button, and you can update here other businesses that you wish to promote. And every time someone logs into their membership site and you're their direct upline, they will see your business opportunity just by you putting the information in here and hitting update. So that's extremely powerful as well, that you can promote other businesses other than just the opportunity of the Power Lead system. Okay. But what I tell people all the time is that when you join the Power Lead system, you definitely want to get on the trainings. If you can't do twice a week, do at least once a week so that you know exactly what to do when you get started. You want to join the Facebook group and you want to go through the trainings. Okay. I read this entire PDF, The Roadmap to Riches, which I loved. I think it's like a great way to really have realistic expectations, but also a way to work on your mindset and come up with the ultimate goal that you can stick with. So I highly recommend this. And then again, going through the training area and just looking at some of the trainings that they have developed for your success, watching some of the replays that they have in case studies. They have marketing, ongoing training, beginners training here as well. So you want to take your time and go through that and really just get an outlook on what strategies you want to use. How often do you want to use them? If you want to try anything new, are you going to be working on free or paid traffic? And basically sticking with this until the end, because this is not a get rich quick overnight. As you can see, I told you I've been using it for years now. This is something that you can learn and apply it over and over and over again and leave your daytime job if that's something that you choose to do. So I just wanted to give you that information and share with you this new funnel. You can actually take a look at it, and it is in my description below. So if you click on the description right below this video and click on the link, you will see the Fire Your Boss funnel, which again is the new funnel that is out right now. So if I click here, this will bring up the funnel. This is the information where you put your name, your email address, and then just hit the free training, and you're going to see a powerful video that is going to give you information about what you can do with the system. And then after that will be the link to actually join this opportunity and be able to take a look around and actually see what the Power Lead system is all about. So again, thank you so much for viewing this video. I look forward to having you a part of my team. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.